Good day everyone. In Module 3, which is Eastern Asian Philosophy of Management, Liu, Xu, and Yong in 2021 confront the questions on whether Confucian philosophy remains relevant in managing conflicts within today's multicultural organizations. The author says that Confucian values continue to provide an effective framework for resolving cross-cultural conflicts because to emphasize harmony, mutual respect, trust, and moral responsibilities. They meant to say that successful management is not about rules and efficiency, but also about cultivating respectful relationships that encourage cooperation among people from different cultural backgrounds. They justify this by discussing the following support points. First is the Confucian values promote mutual respects and harmony among employees. The second one is the ethical leadership strengthen trust and teamwork. And third is cultural understanding reduces workplace conflicts and improves organizational performance. In the face of Liu, Xu, and Lenz, we argue that Eastern management claim philosophy is highly valuability, but managers should integrate Confucian values toward modern leadership practices instead of relying on tradition alone. In other words, we believe that organizations achieve better results when ethical values, renovations, diversity values, and accountability are practical together. However, other thinkers about this asserting that modern organizations operate highly competitive global markets, where efficiency, technology, and measurable performance are more important than traditional philosophical values. They mean that business success depends promoting on productivity and profit rather than cultural or ethical philosophies. To this, I reply that the long-term organizational success depends not only on financial performance, but also on trust, employee commitment, and responsible leadership. Ethical values strengthen teamwork and improve organizational resilience. To illustrate this one, take this case of multinational company with employees from different countries. Instead of allowing cultural misunderstanding to create conflicts, the manager encourages respectful dialogue, active listening, fairness, and cooperation based on Confucian principles. Employees began to understand one another better, conflicts decrease, and teamwork improves. This case revealed that management philosophy directly influences employee relationships, organizational culture, and long-term business success. Therefore, Eastern management philosophy remains relevant because it provides ethical guidance. This complements modern management practices. So starting today, as a manager, we will lead with integrity, respect, cultural diversity, promote harmony, make ethical decisions, and balance organizational performance with concern for people. Thank you.